You probably know that if you are using ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek or some local Olama models, if you are asking something that could be considered harmful or maybe act of terrorism or crime in general, AI is going to say no, because models are trained to recognize those patterns and to refuse every user with such a demands. But not all of models are like that. Some of models are considered uncensored. Basically those models you can ask whatever you want, and if it can provide an answer to a question that you are asking, it's gonna do it, regardless of what kind of question that is. One of those models is uncensored version of GLM 4.7, and in front of you you can see it's Hugging Face page. And what is even better, you don't have to write single line of code in order to use it. You can just install it to your Olama and you are good to go. But if you want to write code, you have instructions in details about that. And now I'm going to transfer you to my Windows machine where I'm hosting Olama. And as you saw, the only thing that you need in order to run this uncensored model on your local machine is to have Olama installed. And now I'm going to open command prompt. I'm going to type Olama list. And you can see that I have this model already installed. If you do not, just type Olama pool hui AI / GLM 4.7 minus flash minus obliterated. And in between GLM and 4 we need one more minus. Okay. Now if I execute this command, you are going to see that nothing is going to happen, because it's already installed on my machine. So I'm just going to close my terminal and I'm going to open Olama. And in here check model selector and make sure that GLM 4.7 is selected. And before we continue, you have to know that this is for educational purposes only. Everything that you are going to do, you are doing on your own responsibility. And now I'm going to ask a question. And I want to know about some simple way to create explosive. And keep in mind that this is going to be a little bit slow on my machine, because this is 18 gigs model. And yes, I have my answer in details. Ingredients, equipment, instructions, safety first intro, of course. So that's all. So guys, as you can see, this model works quite well. And at the end, I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe. See ya!